next?
Straight shot. Up the hill.
Hey, Sarge. The new guy. What's his name again?
We'll need a vehicle to get further inland.
What's the problem?
Problem is the ambush waiting for us down there. They kill us before we find a working car.
Okay, so what's the current plan?
Two cars we haven't tried yet, the minivan,
Yeah.
the green SUV.
Okay.
So I'll head for the SUV, draw the mimics to me. You go for the minivan. You get it started, just go, take off. Do not wait for me.
Okay.
Well, just don't forget to disconnect the caravan before you take off. You are going to be in a hurry. You don't want any dead weight.
Can't see.
Can you? Further updates. Mimic sighted at and as far the government advises this, stay where you are and remain calm. If you are in a vehicle, please lock doors and stay inside. You are now hearing a track of mimics. Calm and I'm sorry. The enemy has reached London. Repeat, London is under attack.
It's good driving.
I forgot to unhook the trailer.
You don't talk much.
Not a fan.
Talking?
Not a fan of talking, no.
You know, you eventually do talk to me. It's usually around Lyon. You tell me about the time you went there with your family. Your brother got lost.
I've never been to Lyon.
You tell me your middle name. Peyton.
That's not my middle name.
Find your brother in the arcade, by the way.
Well, maybe I made it all up just to keep you quiet.
But you do talk to me.
Cage, I do not need to get to know you. And if you knew what was good for you, you wouldn't want to get to know me either. It's the only way you make it through this thing.
What about Hendricks? You get to know him?
How do you know that name?